thinking of starting a lucrative recharge card printing business this year, then this video is all you need to watch, because by the end of this video, you will learn everything you need and how to print recharge card pins on paper and start selling it. The platform that I'm going to introduce you to here is what I have been using. It is the one that I have been using and it has been serving me so far. So if it can serve me, then it definitely can serve you, and you will be making money passively. And mind you, one of the benefits of using this platform is that you earn weekly salary that you can withdraw directly to your bank accounts when you're selling data or buying data from the platform. Just let's head over to our browser. So you have to search for a platform called sellapay. You can see this is the platform, sellapay. Oh, this app, and see, this is the platform. It is sellapay.com.ng. Sellapay.com.ng. Let me enter the URL here so that you won't get confused. So you can see this is the platform, https sellapay.com.ng. When you get to the home page, you will see something that will pop up on your screen, and that is the platform telling you to install the app. Just tap install, and in a few seconds it will be installed on your installed on your phone. Now you can read all this, you can go through it, you can even go to how it works and to learn more about new things about the platform, to learn about new things about the platform. So now create accounts, enter your full name, your username, email address, your phone number, the one that is linked to your WhatsApp account, and or the one you're using for your WhatsApp account. So choose your state, your password, and your 5-digit transaction pin. That is also very, very important. And don't forget to use the one that you can easily remember, which is not guessable by people, so that people will not be able to access your accounts without your knowledge. So your referrals code, this is where you need to help me. I will have to give you my own referral code if you want me to earn. You may use it if you want me to earn, because referring people to the platform also will actually pay me certain amount. So please use Femi as your referral name. Femi, you can see this is it. So tap on register. After you've tapped on your register, you will be automatically logged in. So you'll be automatically logged in. So I want to log in now. So successfully I have logged in. Look at the great interface. Now, this platform does not only offer recharge card printing business, you can also make money on this platform. You also make money by buying data for yourself and even reselling it to others. Yes, you make money when you buy for yourself and even resell the data to your customer. You can see salary balance. I have actually made a withdrawal before, and that is my new balance here is just 50 naira. So if I want to withdraw, when I reach the minimum withdrawal, I'll just have to click it. Then I provide my account number. Okay, a month I want to withdraw, let's say 4,000 naira. Just have to choose. Maybe I want to withdraw directly to my bank account. Just provide your name here. Provide your account details here, and if you want to withdraw directly to the platform, to your wallet here, where we have main wallet, this one is instant. Immediately you tap on authorize payment, pay out now, automatically you will be successfully be funded. Yes, the money in your salary balance will be moved to your main wallet balance, and you can use it to buy anything, or you decide to withdraw it directly to your bank account. So let's quickly head over to the buy pin page, where you have to buy pin. So buy pins. So you can see I'm going to enter my Femi, let me just say Femi Venture. Notes that this particular account is just for tutorial purpose only. It is for tutorial purpose only, and I don't usually use it. I have another account with this platform, but because of tutorial, I have to do this. So, Fender, let me say I want to buy pin. So this is 100 naira pin. This is the amount I'm buying. So if I'm going to buy one pack, that is 10 pieces, that is 972 naira. Guess what? This is, I am upgraded to agent member, and upgrading to agent will cost 9,000 naira. You can also upgrade to vendor. That will cost you 7,000 naira. You can actually print for free. Yes, you can print for free, but you will be earning little to no money. But if you upgrade, you definitely going to be make money. And if only you are serious, if only you are serious about this business, you're going to make money. Yes, you're going to make money. Look at a little amount here. This is the money that doubles and become a pool when you are consistent with the business. Do you understand that? So you have to upgrade. You may have to upgrade your account to either vendor or agent. But as for me, you can see I am upgraded to agent member. So as for me, I will recommend you choose this one, which costs just 9,000 naira. Even other platforms that sell higher than this, their upgrading fee costs 20,000, 30,000 naira. The minimum I've ever seen, because I also use other platforms, the minimum I have paid to other websites is 14,500 naira. Meanwhile, I still buy data at 985 naira. Yes, as an upgraded member, I still buy pins at 985 naira per pack. Now compare it to this, which is just 9,000 naira, and then you are printing a pack for just 972 naira. There is no website that sell below this or even closer to this. No website that I have seen so far. Despite their upgrade fee, no website has been able to sell closer to this. So now let me just purchase pen just for you to see. So I have put my name, my business name, Fender. So purchase pin. I'm going to be providing my transaction pin. So I just entered my transaction pin now. Waiting. You can see purchase complete. Now I have successfully purchased airtime pin on this platform. I just purchased one, So to view the pin, tap on view pin inventory. You can see the first one here is the pin which I just purchased right now. It is the pin. So to print it, you just have to tap on print. You can see. So just connect your Bluetooth printer and then print directly on paper. That is it. It is as simple as ABC. Just follow the steps and process in this video. Please make sure you install the app, because it will prevent you, it will save your time. Instead of you to be going to the browser every time, you just have to be logging in directly through the app. Let me show you on the this is how it will show on your phone. This particular one, this is how it will show. So kindly follow the process in this video. It is actually very simple, and you can add data reselling to your business. You can add data reselling to your business. This platform pays you salary, weekly salary. Just like I told you earlier, they pay weekly salary. That's anytime you purchase data, there is a certain amount salary attached to the data you purchase or you sell to your customer. Anytime you purchase the data, the money will automatically reflect here where we have salary balance automatically. Then you can decide to withdraw immediately.